Meaning of individualist.
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 Individualist. The term individualist refers to a person who prioritizes their own interests and values over the collective or societal group. The individualist focus on personal autonomy and self-reliance, and may be less inclined to conform to societal norms or expectations. This perspective can lead to a sense of independence and freedom, but may also result in a lack of connection or support from others. In extreme cases, individualism can lead to selfishness and disregard for the well-being of others. Overall, individualism is a complex concept with both positive and negative implications for individual and societal well-being.